Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Pixel 6. Now this case is made by Spigen. It's a thin fit case. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. This is Spigen thin fit designed for the Google Pixel 6. This is the black version. It's a matte case. Some pictures right there. This is the black one, $15.99 on Prime. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box right here, Spigen box, easy to pull tab right here, pretty basic, not much on the outside of the box. I ordered one of these before, and they sent me a knockoff. It wasn't a Spigen case, came in an old plastic wrapper. I don't know what it was, but it was garbage, so I sent it back. But this is the thin fit right here. Got a little card inside there, some other information. Let's put this to the side. All right, so here's the thin fit case. It's a smooth back, but it's not too slippery. It's got a little branding right there, and it's got a little detail on the side there. You got your volume down rocker, your power button, camera opening right here. That's well covered. The way they made the Pixel right there, and you got this matte side right here and a little smooth back. Okay, kind of two different textures on this right here, so this should have a little bit of grip. All right, but this is supposed to be a thin fit case. Here's your openings right there, and your mic opening up top. But other than that, it's pretty smooth. I don't see any branding on this case other than this little brand right here. And then you got something on the inside right there, smooth on the inside as well. TPU size, fairly stiff though. Okay, so we're going to get the device and put it inside and see what that looks like. Okay, here's the Pixel 6 right here. Let's go ahead and put this inside. All right, so nice fit, and it's nice and slim. All right, and you know, it feels pretty good. I can't, you know, it's got a little grip on the side there. You know, the matte feel is not slippery, so you're going to be able to hold this. And the back is not bad either, and it's got a nice contoured fit there. Feels good in the hand. Okay, everything lines up on the bottom. You can see that right there. And then you got the top right here, the mic hole, that's all lined up there, and you got your camera as well protected. You can see that right there. Power button works well. So nice case. Spigen always makes them nice in this nice lip there, but not too much, not too intrusive. And you know, it's not a bad case. Okay, got that smooth back there, and I'm not getting any fingerprints right there either. So now let's go ahead and get the wireless charger and see how that works. Okay. Okay, here's the wireless charger. Let's go ahead and put this on. All right, so pick this wireless charge right there. I had to move it around a little bit. Not sure why, but it picked that wireless charge. Let's go ahead and stand it up, see what happens. All right, so it picked up wireless charge there as well. And let's go ahead and lay it down. Let's see what happens there. Okay, so it picked up wireless charge there as well. Okay, so charging works pretty well with the case, okay? Okay, so that was a quick look at the Spigen thin fit case for the Pixel 6, all right? Nice case, feels good in the hand, and doesn't add bulk, all right? And you're gonna get a little bit of protection as well, okay? Now, I'll put the link in the description for you if you wanna get it. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.